The Xtreme 8K is the world's largest production-grade DLP printer that enhances the scale of production. We were thrilled to be able to announce an enhanced relationship with Henkel Loctite 3D, delivering a broader range of materials that are qualified on the Xtreme 8K. This printer and the powerful projectors it uses enables us to utilize long-chain chemistry, which delivers materials properties that are capable of functional end use and surface finish that is comparable to injection molding. In particular, the Henkel Loctite IND 405 and IND 3843 expand our materials portfolio into rigid plastics and flexible plastics that have a very broad range of functional end-use applications. Additionally, the Xtreme 8K is optimized for Adaptive 3D, Elastic Tough Rubber 90, Elastic Tough Rubber 70, and the free foam materials. The Elastic Tough Rubber utilized DuraChain technology to deliver high elongation up to 200% and very good flexibility, modulus, and strength.